Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Then head on over to your profile. Then in here, go over to your followers and following list. Once you are here, go to your following list and then try to search for a username. And as you can see, I can find this person over here. Now, head on over to your followers list and then try searching for their username. And as you can see, they follow us. Now, I'm going to be switching accounts for the sake of the tutorial. In here, I'm going to head on over to my messages and then I will click on my other account's profile. Then in here, I will choose to unfollow this account. Now the next step, I am going back to my other account over on Instagram. And then I'm going to click on my followers and following list once again. I am now going to search over at following. I'm going to search my other account. And as you can see, it exists. However, over at followers, if I search for their account, it's not here. I can't find it. That means if you go to your followers and then go to the search bar and search for their username and it does not appear, that means they do not follow you. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.